This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Wall. Satellite Beach Family Home. Newer roof. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, formal living, dining, and family rooms, open kitchen. Huge laundry room, extra large Florida room. Tropical Oasis backyard. Cozy front porch with picket fence. Newer pump and sprinkler system. Great location. Walk to the beach. A-rated schools. Close to dining and entertainment. Easy access to 95 and the airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Wall at 321-308-0335.